In this video, what I'm going to do is show you this product that I have come up with. It's how to track applications, job applications, using a form that I created on Excel. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing. This is my website, efficiencyandorganization.com. If you go here under products, or it's on Etsy. So if you're on Etsy, you'll be able to find it under efficiency and organization or under my name. Basically, here when I go, I'm going to look for the job application. These are all the forms that I have there. And the one that I'm looking for is the job application process tracker. So which is right here. Okay, so this is kind of like a picture of what it looks like, but it's on Excel, and I'm going to show you like from, I'll just go and show you what it looks like from my, pull it up from here. So this is like my actual real Excel sheet. This is like me using this since the 1st of May. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to work on getting a promotion. I am currently an assistant principal and I'm trying to become a principal. So let's say you also have a job and you're trying to apply for another job, or you're trying to get a promotion and you're putting applications out there everywhere. Maybe you're looking for a job because you want something closer to home, or maybe because you want something that's going to give you more money, more pay, better hours. So a lot of things go, I understand, into the factor of looking for a job. So what I came up with, I wanted to know, like, calculate my percentage and track how many I was applying for. This downloadable comes with two forms. Okay, one has a design, one does not have a design, and I'll just really quickly show you what it looks like. So when you download it, it's going to have this, which is just the plain version, or it's going to have this that has a design. There you go. But either way, it's on Excel. And this is how I do it. So let's say I started applying since the 1st of May. I want to know, like, how long have I been in the market applying for a job, right? So it's been since the 1st of May. What I do is every week, I only look once a week, but let's say I didn't, even if I looked more often, I would come here and enter the total number of times I apply. So if you notice, in the first week, I found 4 jobs. So I applied for all 4 and I didn't get any interviews. The second week, I applied for 2, then I did 4 again. So it just really depends on what's out there. What if I'm able to find, like, postings. If you notice, in week 6, there was only one that I was like, you know what, I'm actually seeing like one that I would qualify for, or one that I would want to apply for. And so what I do is I fill these in, and automatically here at the bottom, it calculates a total for me. The reason I put 26 is because that'll be like half of a year. So if a year has 52 weeks, I want to know in half a year how many I end up applying for and how many interviews I get. And so obviously, when it comes to the interviews, the first week I got 0, second week I got 0. It takes time for these organizations, especially in public education, to look at applications and screen people out and then call people back for interviews. So far, if you notice, I have gotten a total of 3 interviews. And so again, this, because I have the formula already set, it calculates it for me. It adds them for me. So it's telling me that this is also a formula that's automatically there when you download the product. This is telling me that it's like I'm right at 13%, which is pretty good. The average in the US is about 10%, which is awful if you think about it. That means for every 10 applications you send out, you're going to get like 1 interview, but it is what it is. So I'm at 13%. And so I guess I'm right about at the average. There's every week, what I'm doing is going and looking at my application again, looking at my letter of introduction. I'm trying to find ways to improve my application so that I could get more calls for interviews. So I'll keep trying. My goal right now is to try to get this percentage up. The way I'm going to get it up is if they see things in my application that they like. I think one of the things I'm gonna work on next week is probably gonna be getting some more letters of recommendation. I'm gonna try to see if that helps me a little bit, but yeah, you can download this form. It's like I said on the website, it's right here. You go to efficiencyandorganization.com and then you go to products and it is right there for $2. And it does include both. It has this version and it has the one with the design. So this is the one with the design. I know it's a little hard to see, but it's there. So that way you can track your applications and then not get discouraged. Okay, so if you see that you're right about 10%, then you know that's kind of how it goes right now. And if your percentage is higher, even better. It means you're doing everything right. So my next thing is probably going to be to track how many of these interviews, like you know how it is, it takes one to get a job. So I'm gonna see, my goal is that if I have 10 interviews, so if down here I get like 10, that one of them will result in a job offer. And at that moment, I have to figure out if I even want it, depending on the pay, depending on the distance, depending on the location. I have to decide if I want to accept or not. But I hope this form helps you if you consider downloading it. So that way you can use it as well to track your applications, no matter what search engine you are using.